Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Messenger cannot open messages problem. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Play Store, then search your Messenger. Check your Messenger up to date or not. If not, update your Messenger. If your Messenger already up to date, then go back, go to the settings, search your apps, then type here Messenger, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence: this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, If not, uninstall and reinstall your Messenger, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.